Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will be looking onto the stock which are presenting a good risk to reward as per my setup for tomorrow's session. First of all, we will be looking at the broader market. So let's have a look at Nifty, what exactly it is doing. This is a 15-minute chart of Nifty. Nifty looks to be in an extended session. If we go from here, from this particular swing, the trend of the market was changed to up, right? If you measure the swing length, it has been consistent. This swing was equal to this swing, and then this swing was somewhat shorter. After that, we moved to this swing, right? This swing. Now, the buying pressure was coming much more higher from earlier, so it made a bigger swing. Now, this swing seems to be getting done. So that's what I was thinking yesterday as well, that Nifty's move to the upside is limited. Seems to be limited. If you measure this swing, generally in markets, swings move to be in harmonic tandem. They move to be moving in a 1 to 1 ratio. At times it can be more, but most of the time they tend to follow some harmonics. So looks like this particular swing is almost equal to this swing. So we cannot rule out a possibility of some retracement from here. Okay, so the people will be asking, where do we initiate fresh quantity of good longs or buy or stocks? Somewhere around this area, 16,800. From this overbought region, Nifty will be coming somewhere here and giving some consolidation, and after that we can look for some fresh entry in some stocks for positional or for swing trading. Okay, this was the overview of Nifty. A simple overview, no indication, no indicators, no nothing. A simple and swing to swing analysis. So let's move on to the stock which are having giving some good setups as per the risk reward. The first one is granules. Okay, let me remove these drawings. It's are as per my trading. Okay, so I think yesterday I also gave this particular stock for long position. It moved from this lower swing to this upper swing, and what we did, we opened a position around 61 point. No, I think this was the swing. Okay, yeah, we opened somewhere around here, and easily our target was achieved here for 1 to 1. You see, somewhere in this area, and target was somewhere around 310, 311. So what we still expect that this particular stock is in good uptrend. It is making upper higher high and higher low. So we still expect for it to come back to this area from this. So we can open a fresh long position somewhere around here whenever the stock retraces to this area. If we drill down to 3 minute chart, we can find that there is a swing here, a small congestion in which we can see a good support. We can have a entry somewhere around here in this area and put our stop loss somewhere around this swing low. That means 307 or 307.5 could be our entry and 305.5 could be our stop loss. Yeah. Okay. And the target will be exactly same, which I always share as per my setup, which is 127 extension. So it will be somewhere around this 314.85. Okay, let's move on to another stock, which is McDowell's. McDowell's has seen a big fall from recent highs, but still from two three trading sessions, it is having a good consolidation. So what we can see here, this was the last downswing. This was the last downswing which was violated yesterday. So we are still waiting for some clear retracement here, and it was evident today. I missed to open an entry around 61.8. It touched that, but nevertheless, we still have multiple opportunities or lower time frame. If you go to 3 minute structure, we can see that this is the last lower swing which has been validated to the upside. So what we'll do, we'll put a retracement tool here and measure the 61 retracement over here. It comes somewhere around 783.5. So what we can do, we can open a position somewhere around here, putting our stop loss on below this swing low, and we'll be targeting our bigger swing. The target will be as per our bigger swing. So this is the entire swing. Okay, this is a very good risk to reward trade if it plays out. You see, these kind of trades require patience. It can be achieved in a single day if there's a big movement in intraday session, or they will take around 2 to 3 trading sessions or 2 3 days to meet up these kind of targets. You are having a very small stop loss of 2.2 2.2 points, right? And you stand to get somewhere around 18 points, more than 18 points. So these are the setups, quality setups we should look for. Okay, the next stock is Nippon India. Okay, so this was a very good buying pressure here, and what we can see in the lower time frame, this has already broken a low downswing. You say this was the last swing, last lower swing, last lower one which was created, and it has been violated by this particular swing over here. So what we will do as per our process, we'll simply put a retracement tool here from low to high, measure the exact area where we can buy our anticipated area, which will be presenting some buying pressure. To mark this area, we need to look left. What exactly is present to the left of the chart? As it is quite evident here, when the price was facing some retracement here, then it was handled by buyers very accurately, and at least this is the area where there are back active buyers. So we expect that the buyers will be defending this area, so we can open a position somewhere around here with a very small stop loss, you see, of 1 point, hardly 1 point, and the target looks really good. Target will be quite high in this case. If we measure this particular swing and extend it to 127 extension, it will be more than 10 points of risk reward, which is absolutely phenomenal. You will be losing 1 point to gain more than 10 points. So many people will be doubting these kind of setups, that how is it possible? I mean, such a small stop loss and such a big reward. So guys, trading is something which is very boring process. You need to wait, you need to just you know keep on keep on watching the setups, keep on watching the candles until and unless they present a very high risk to reward. I mean, losing very small point and gaining a very big point. You need to wait for that kind of setup. I'll make some videos which will be having trade recaps, in which I'll show you I have traded these kind of setup, and these are quite possible. These are not impossible things. Okay, moving on to the next one. It is HL, and we'll be looking for long sides here as well. As we can see, it is moving clearly in an uptrend. Nice little swings. So I have already put a retracement tool here, and we are still looking for this area 2039.5, or I would still drill down and would like the price to come into this congestion area. If it does not come into this area, then this is not my trade. I'm not taking this. The trade should be on my terms, on my setup. Then I'll be taking the trade. Otherwise, it's a pass. It's not my setup. So if the price is coming into this area, you see, these are there are the sellers selling candles which are effectively absorbed by the buyers. The buyers were present in good quantity here and they push the price up. So whenever the price is coming into this highlighted area, we again expect that the buyers will be defending this thing and it won't be falling beyond this. So what we can do in this case, we can put a buy order here in this area somewhere around 2033 or 20, what is that, 34, okay, and put our stop loss just below this flip zone or a turning point, whatever you would like to call, and target still will be this area 127 extension. It presents more than six times the risk reward. You see, if you lose 1 point, you are standing to gain more than 6 points. There was a question people were asking: what happens if price comes to this area? I open long position, and it starts moving in my favor, and it goes up till here, does not hit my stop loss, and starts falling back. This is a very valid scenario and keeps on occurring in multiple trades. So what the logic here is, whenever the price moves into your favor and reaches this prior high of this particular swing, you make your stop loss break even. Sorry, you make your stop loss break even, or you can put your stop loss somewhere around here. Suppose you have purchased at 2033, then you will be moving your stop around 2035, 2036. You stand to lose nothing, right? Your trade will be in break even, and if it turns, then it is not a losing trade. You will still gain something, right? So guys, this is all for this particular video. Please subscribe, comment, and like my videos if you like my content. Do share this thing to your friends and family so that maximum people can get benefit of this. So this is it. Thanks for watching. Thank you and happy trading.